Pressure cooker with Instant Pot.
Traditional cooker need little watching, but Instant Pot make it simple as it and forget it. Bye, I'm going for shopping. Really love this feature.
After cooking in pressure cooker, food can cool down very quickly. Instant Pot keep it warm automatically.
Spot cooking is the only option in pressure cooker. Instant Pot it's like a multitasker. Pressure cook, slow cook, sorting, even yogurt.
You cannot move around the pressure cooker to different places while cooking. It can be used only on the stove top. Instant Pot is easy to move and no stove needed. Cater for small space or travel. Both can whip up meals quickly.
But Instant Pot offers more control with presets. With the delay option, cook while you sleep.
Pressure cooker lets you know they are working. Instant Pot keep it little quieter in the kitchen. Both are safe when used right.
But the Instant Pot adds extra peace of mind with built-in safety features.
Many are familiar with how traditional cooker works, but Instant Pot may take little getting used to with all the functions. Traditional cookers are budget friendly, while Instant Pot gives you more feature for the investment. Comment Team Traditional or Team Instant Pot. Tag your friends who need to see this. Which one is in your kitchen right now?